Yo, what's up, traders? So as you can see, I blew an account today. Yep, I went on full tilt, and yeah. So, anyways, I got an account with Redline Futures last night, and I'm going to get another one after I can get my my head right again, because this morning I ended up taking a trade, and then I ended up taking like 15 more, and then before I knew it, I was completely gambling, completely blowing everything that I've worked really hard to maintain. And yeah, I think I need to go back to the drawing board a little bit and do some practicing with breakout trading and use my practice account like I was literally discussing yesterday in the video that I made that won't be uploaded till later because it was a family video. But yeah, I woke up this morning, I hopped on the charts on MNQ, and like honestly, had I just freaking stopped getting in and out and doing a bunch of crazy stuff, I probably would have been fine and been up, because I was bearish, and the move waited for this to happen. It came up and then down, but like I wouldn't have survived the drawdown right here. I was way over leveraged, and I got to a point where I was gambling and just trying to make it back. So I'm just going to be completely real with you guys. It was maddening and mental, and I haven't felt those emotions or felt that surge of energy and adrenaline in a while. So I'm not feeling any type of way about it at all. I should have listened to the homie on stream this morning. Connor was trading, and he ended up getting out, after he had taken the L for the day, and he's going to hop back on later, he said, when markets level back out. And that's one thing that I struggle with in knowing, is that market open. I love you too, baby. I'll be done here in just a minute. Is the market opening I've never really done well with, and breakout trading is like, it's like your first girlfriend, you know what I mean? Like for me, it's like what got me into trading. It's like what got me excited. It's like, oh man, I freaking love you. I freaking love you. And then it's like, but it comes with strings or something like that. And, yeah, I freaking love you. That's hilarious. What do you want, baby? Sorry, guys. I've been trying to do this video 3 times now. And, it just is what it is. I got the little one today. I've got a dentist appointment, so I'm not going to be able to do this in the evening. And yeah, it is what it is. Here we are. This is kind of my life with trading and having kids and stuff. It's not exactly easy, and sometimes I have to remind myself that my kids are more important. And she's actually kind of what pulled me out of my funk immediately, because she could tell I was just like, put my head down and was like, "What are you doing, dude?" I stopped talking in the chat. I was just like locked in and just overwhelmed, because I just freaking tanked the account and just failed it in a matter of moments and completely went on tilt. And that's one of the reasons that I use Top Step X, so I can lock myself out, because I don't really have the emotional capacity to do this. Like, I mean, like I freaking completely feel like I've lost my mind, and a little bit of yeah, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to get it back. I mean, basically, my bias today was just breakout trading, and there's a part of me that is struggling with, like, I've not made any money from doing this in so long. Like, I mean, I haven't taken a payout or anything in it's just like November or something like that. So it's been a long time, and that's kind of mental, because you put so much effort and so much energy and so much into learning. But I'm kind of at that threshold to where, like, I can't give up, and I can't throw in the towel, and I'm not going to. But that's what I felt this morning. I was like, dude, what am I even doing? It spun my head out for my content creation, and like it just like spun me out. And that's kind of the hard truth about trading, and not following your system and not following your discipline, because at the end of the day, it had nothing to do with breakout trading. It had nothing to do with the homie and the stream or nothing like that. It had nothing to do with any of that. It just had to do with my lack of emotions and being able to accept the loss for the day, so I could show up and take another shot at it. I just full tilted all the way in. So every trader goes through it, man. It's a part of it. Unfortunately, for me, I'm just going to have to reevaluate the drawing board and see how things go and see where I get, from that. So if you've ever experienced this, or you do have trouble with this, pay attention to your rules and your risk settings, and figure it out, man. I don't really know what else to say on it. I really want to use Redline, so I think I'm going to study it a little more and see how I feel. I did start their little affiliate marketing to maybe like help me, or the affiliate program, I guess you could say, to like, if you guys put in DZX Lab, you know, it'll help me earn like 15%. So I'm honestly trying to think about doing that, just to be fully transparent, because I don't have any income coming in right now with this. And like in my life, I'm fine. I have, you know, my bills covered and everything, but like as far as excess and putting a lot into this, it's just not there. I just don't have it. I don't have that resource right now. So I might need to go to demo trading, you know, for a little bit if I'm going to continue to breakout trade. I think that I'm going to continue to use Redline, but focus on my strategy that I've been working on, because my emotions are absolutely like worst right now. Like I don't even know. Like I literally like start, like, to be just fully transparent with you guys, I like start shaking. You know what I mean? Like I just like, I woke up already off from an email I got from affiliate program I'm trying to do, and like my content in my channel, it doesn't align with them and it's not big enough yet. So I'm like, okay, probably not a great way to start today. I need to start learning that when I get emotional like this, that I need to just pause and take a step back, because I'm already sorting through emotions. First thing of like being rejected from a company that doesn't even know me, probably didn't even watch the video, and I'm like using them quite a bit. It's not a big deal. It's just something for me to work on, and some goal for me to have. And, you know, maybe we can come back and reevaluate in the future. But I just wanted to hop on here while this was fresh and while this was raw. The one thing I did notice that I will say, I will take something positive from this. I bounced back really quick. I didn't go buy another account. I closed my charts. I mean, I'm sitting here still watching it. And honestly, the directions and the thought process was still there, man. Coming down a little bit to overall respect. You know, we're in a bullish trend. I don't think it's far-fetched to think let's come down here and retest this area and then continue up. But all in all, I just started gambling, man. Went on full tilt and was like, I got to make it back, because the greed or my headspace, you know, just got a hold of me. And I think that's where a lot of people misunderstand breakout trading. It's like, it's not breakout trading. You know, it's not the homie. It's not the stream. Today was me, 100% me, like full accountability and responsibility. It was all me. I took the ideology and ran with it, and then like, instead of taking the loss and taking the hit that I got to, I was like, let me double down, over leverage, and then once I got to like being negative 1,500, I was like, whatever, dude, we're all in. So we'll either make it or we'll blow it, you know. And we would have made it back, because around here is where I got stopped out, and then I was looking for buys, and then it didn't come back down and break. So hindsight 2020, learn to control my emotions, learn to follow my rules, and stay disciplined. And if you're going to trade and you're going to get into breakout trading, you need to understand that distinction, in my opinion. So yeah, well, we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll run it back up, and we'll see how things go. Thanks for being here. I'm sure there's plenty for people to say and have an opinion on how things go. If you're a breakout trader, you get it, man. You understand blowing accounts is part of the process, and it's not an easy process. So yeah, just kind of is what it is. If you're not a breakout trader, spend some time doing some research, understanding, and make sure that you have capital to trade, because that's probably the hardest thing I'm struggling with right now, is I'm just limited on capital. So that's something that I have to really keep in mind. Fortunately, when I bought this account, I had a little bit of surplus, but not much. So that's something I'm just going to have to work on. And yeah, man, thanks for being here. Much love. Catch you tomorrow.